Welcome into Selenium tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to scroll down our page up in Selenium. To scroll using Selenium, you can use JavaScript executor interface that helps to execute JavaScript method through Selenium WebDriver. Let's see the scroll down a page using Selenium WebDriver with the following scenario. First, we will see the scenario 1 to scroll down the page by pixel, and then we will scroll down the web page by the visibility of the element, and third scenario we will scroll down the web page at the bottom of the page. So let's begin. First, we need to add the library of JavaScript executor. Now we need to create the object of JavaScript executor, and variable name is JS JavaScript executor driver. Now we will use this variable name JS dot and execute script window dot scroll by 0 to 1000, and we add the value of the pixel. In this scenario, page will be scrolled down. First we will scroll down of the page, then we will scroll up the page. Let's run this script. Chrome driver is opening. First, if we will navigate to this URL, and here we need to add the semicolon. Chrome driver is opening, and navigate to this URL and scroll down of the page. Scroll has been down of the page. Now we will scroll up of the page. We just need to enter the value with negative sign. Here we enter the pixel value in negative. Let's set some weight for better understanding. 1000 weight. First it will scroll down of the page, and then weight, and then scroll up the page. Let's run this script. Chrome driver is opening. First scroll has been down, and then scroll up of the page. We can also scroll to the specific element. Now, for example, we want to scroll until this element is visible. We need to find the locator of this element of current address. Here ID is available and name also available. We can locate with both of them. Now we will locate this element by ID, which is picture. Here we need enter web element picture is equal to driver dot find element by dot id, and id is and ID is picture. JS dot execute script argument. Here we need to enter the text in double quote. Argument 0 scroll into view and we add this variable name which is picture. Let's run this script. In this scenario, page will be scrolled until this element is visible. Chrome driver is opening. Here we need to enter arguments. Let's again run this script. Chrome driver is successfully opening and page has been scrolled into this specific current address element. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and comment.